T50A Basic Function Introduction. Rotate hand wheel to adjust spindle hole spacing. Rotate the programming lever to select the desired module a 2E. Loosen the nuts on the left and right sides and adjust the margin on the push-pull platform. Tighten the nut fixing platform. Click the platform handle button and pan the platform to the right. The platform will be stuck in a fixed position. The zero line is the center line of the first group far right of holes. Step 1. Calculate the hole spacing and write margin according to the target file. Step 2. Put the text on the right. Step 3. Turn on the power. Move the platform to the far left and select the desired module. Step 4. Press down the handle to complete the first set of punches. Step 5. Press and hold the platform handle button. Slowly move the platform to the right and release it immediately. Click. Press down the handle at a constant speed to complete the second set of punches. Step 6. Repeat Step 5 to complete the third set of punches. Disconnect the power. Rotate the spindle until the cutter screw is exposed. Use a tool change wrench to loosen the tightener screws counterclockwise. Just release 3 to 4 turns and take out the drill bit down. Push the new bit up to the top. Just tighten the screws. Knife pad can be used on both sides. Regularly clean the confetti box. Thanks for watching.